In this video, we will solve this problem. Show that kinetic energy of two particle system is 1 over 2 m r dot square plus 1 over 2 mu v square, where m is equal to m1 plus m2 and 1 over mu is equal to 1 over m1 plus 1 over m2. If we draw the portrait, which is x and y, and mass 1 has a distance x1 and mass 2 has a distance x2. So x is equal to x1 minus x2, which is equation number 1, and x1 is equal to x plus x2, which is equation number 2, and x2 is equal to x1 minus x, which is equation number 3. We know position of center of mass is r is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 over m1 plus m2, which is equation number 4. Now use value of x1 in equation 4. Equation 4 become r is equal to m1 and x1 is equal to x plus x2 plus m2 x2 over m1 plus m2, which is equal to m1 over m1 plus m2 x plus x2, and x2 is equal to r minus m1 over m1 plus m2 x, which is equation number 5. Now if we differentiate equation 5 with respect to t, then equation 5 become x2 dot is equal to r dot minus m1 over m1 plus m2 x dot. Now use value of x2 in equation 4. Equation 4 become r is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 and x2 is equal to x1 minus x over m1 plus m2, which is equal to x1 minus m2 over m1 plus m2 x, and x1 is equal to r plus m2 over m1 plus m2 x, which is equation number 6. If we differentiate equation 6 with respect to t, then equation 6 become x1 dot is equal to r dot plus m2 over m1 plus m2 x dot, and this is equation number 7. We know kinetic energy for two particle system is kinetic energy is equal to 1 over 2 m1 x1 dot square plus 1 over 2 m2 x2 dot square. Now put the value of x1 dot and x2 dot in this equation, so it becomes 1 over 2 m1 r dot plus m2, and we know capital M is equal to m1 plus m2, so this becomes capital M x dot whole square plus 1 over 2 m2 r dot minus m1 over capital M x dot whole square, which is equal to 1 over 2 m1 r dot square plus m2 square over capital M square x dot square plus 2 r dot x dot m2 over capital M plus 1 over 2 m2 r dot square plus m1 square over capital M square x dot square minus 2 r dot x dot m1 over capital M, and kinetic energy is equal to 1 over 2 m1 plus m2 r dot square plus 1 over 2 m1 square m2 plus m2 square m1 over capital M square x dot square, which is equal to 1 over 2 capital M r dot square plus 1 over 2 m1 m2 m1 plus m2 over capital M square x dot square, which is equal to 1 over 2 m r dot square plus 1 over 2 mu x dot square, which is kinetic energy of two particle system.